Chronicle Employee Self-Service. Access anywhere, anytime, from any device. Employees can manage their time, information, and workplace tasks directly from their laptop, tablet, or mobile phone. Clock in and out with GPS and facial recognition. View shifts, track absence balances, and access payslips securely, all in one place. Stay connected with instant company announcements, notes from managers, and up-to-date personal records. The portal goes beyond timekeeping. Employees can upload documents, complete forms, record incidents, and share updates, all with a clear audit trail. Less paper, faster responses, better compliance, and a more engaged workforce. Chronicle Employee Self-Service empowers staff, reduces admin, and keeps your organization connected. Book your demo today.